Decap 26 here, just do the tips and repairs, and we're going to be priming this little head here. It's Grandpa from the Munsters. So let's get started with this. So I want to give it a spray coat here of primer. We got it on a bottle here. And it looks like it's going to fall over. You got to do a light misting, and then we're going to hit it with the good old blow dryer. This is just review. I mean, you're going to watch this time and time again. But it kind of looks like a lizard here now, because he's got spots of paint primer on him. The back cover is pretty good. You just want to get something to tack on there, you know. Oh, Grandpa looks like he's got measles. How long does it take for it to dry? Well, with this dryer, it's really on hot. Not too long. Not too long. Let's turn that off and give it another mist like that. Turn it around like this. Give it another mist. And dry it up again. I hope you're enjoying these little videos here of painting. This is painting a head in detail. I'm sorry I didn't announce that title, but it will be in the title in the beginning. We're going to take these two colors, and it's a little blue, and shake it up. Let's make sure it's shaked up a lot. Pour it in there, like so. And I'm going to put a little weight, make sure it's shaked up nicely. Drop a weight. And I'm going to have to put a little more blue. I want to add some flow aid to it. A little bit of flow aid, just a drop. This is going to be for his face. Hopefully you can make up enough to put in the airbrush for his face. So let's get that into the airbrush. And we might want to make that just a little bit more weight. Add some weight and more weight into it. Lighten it up a little bit. Because Grandpa's makeup, everybody says it's green. Well, it could be green. It's a greenish blue. I don't really want to feel like using a green. You can use a green. This is a test to another model I'll be making in the future. I'll probably make his face green then. You know. I'm just gonna try this. Get the airbrush out here, and the top doesn't want to come off. There we go. Pour that in there. Gonna work, I think. Oh, a little bit too much pressure there. So we're working along here, and that blue looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. We're at the fine brush now. We go in, and I hope you can see this. just doing his eyebrows. Grandpa's eyebrows. And I need a little more paint than that. A little more. Tip it off a little bit. Like that. Yeah, we're going to do this and do some of this and we'll get back to you. Most of these are custom colors that I mix. 2 colors, sometimes 3. And using a very fine brush here. Like so. Pretty much, he's pretty much done. Grandpa here. This is a Jimmy Flintstone version of Grandpa. I want to mention that because kudos to Jimmy Flintstone. He sent this to me, and it was very nice of him to do that, along with another kit. And we just have to add a little more on the side here. Take some white. See right here when I dry brush. Right in there. So there's Grandpa, and my best of my ability, and that's going to go next to Elvira. I'm going to set it in some clay and make a base for it out of clay and set it in that. For Elvira's got Grandpa's attention, so to speak. And just rinse the brush off and roll it. So that's today's project. I hope you enjoyed it, and you have a great day, and I wish you the best. And please rate, subscribe, and ring the little notification bell to the right, and you'll see there's little things like this that go around the bell for my next video. And we'll see you. Take care.